back to my channel. Today I'm very excited about what I'm going to be doing today because I haven't done this in a couple of years, so I'm very excited about this. So guys, today we're going to be doing a split along gathered skirt. Привет всем! Сегодня мы будем шить юбку без машина. Ну давайте, поехали! Alright guys, so if you haven't subscribed to my channel, do not forget to subscribe and make sure to click the bell so that you get notification on any new video that I post, and like my video. Alright guys, so for this tutorial we're going to need 3 meters of fabric, any fabric of your choice, that doesn't matter. We're going to need a measuring tape. We're going to need some pins. We're going to need some needles since we're actually doing this without a machine, guys. Not necessarily because I don't have a machine, but because there are many ways that you can make something. Let's say for instance you don't have a machine at home. What do? You find other ways. So this is simply one of the ways that you can make a skirt and become very perfect. We're going to need some cotton for pinning the skirt. Just so. Alright guys, so I've spread my fabric and I'm just going to cut out the piece for my waistband. So I'm actually going to cut it from here and we'll go like that. Make sure when you're cutting this, you don't want to make a mistake, so make sure you go straight. You just follow the line like that. Alright guys, so we're just going to pin down the pieces of fabric that we cut. You see, this is how I've done it. So I'm just going to pin it down so that it can be easier for me to sew. Alright guys, so I'm done with pinning down the fabric, so I just have to sew through. I'm going to need my needles, so I've already put the cotton. I think I'm just going to use black. I've decided to use black for this particular fabric. So I'm just going to sew down. I like it when I'm sewing, I remove the pins bit by bit so I don't get distracted. So this is going to do that then. That's so cute. Sewing up this part, so this is how it has turned out. Alright guys, so for our next part, I've already put my cotton in the needle. So at this particular point, I'm just gonna have to make sure I seam it this way, so you guys can just pay particular attention to what I'm doing. Alright guys, so I'm done sewing through. So for the next step that we have to do, I have to measure my waist, and I've measured it's 21 inches. And for you to be sure about what you're doing and not to make any mistakes, just make sure that maybe you add 2 more inches for the seam allowance. So I'm going to add 2 more inches, which is going to be 23 for my waist. So from 21, I'll add 2 more, it's going to 23. So I'm just gonna put there. And then I'm gonna have to do that so that we make the gathering that's needed to be made. So as you can see, I'm just pulling the cotton out, just like that, so that I get a perfect gathered skirt. So I would have to measure here just to be sure. I have to measure 22 inches. See if this is my waist. So this is mine. So as you can see, this is too much, so I would have to go more. This looks amazing. A little bit. And it's 23. And now the next step, this is the fabric that I'm left with for my waistband. So I'm just gonna have to wrap this up like that. All right guys, so I'm done doing my gathering. So it's done. So for now, this is a waistband. I'm just gonna have to fold it. Alright guys, so I'm done with pinning down. Alright, so we're done with sewing the gathering. So this is how it has turned out to be. We're done. Looks cute, doesn't it? So for the next step, we're gonna have to put the zipper. This is the zipper that we're going to put. So this is our next step. We have to put the zipper. So before we do that, this is how I put my zipper. So I'll fold this like that. And I would have to iron this part. Alright, so we're done putting the zipper. So at this particular moment, we're just going to have to pin this down and then sew it through. So I'm just going to pin it down like that. Make sure it's straight when you're doing this. You don't want to make a mistake and then have to redo everything all over again. So you have to be careful at this particular point. Okay, so let's get right into this. Okay, you start sewing through here. guys, don't cut. Make sure it's straight so that it comes out nice and clean. Alright guys, so we're almost done and I already like the way the skirt is hanging out. So the only part that's remaining right now is the slit. So like I cut through here with the scissors. This is my slit. So I just have to sew through here with my nail and we'll be good to go. So I just have to do that, you know. Yeah, and pin that down.